about Casamian says I come take around because I mean it comes from within, you know what I'm saying?
You know, like the vibe, you know, like
it's a natural.
It is a natural thing that it comes naturally.
You know what I mean? Oh,
okay, anyway,
me that's it.
I prepare. Me can say na me be say on Facebook Live. Adom 106.3. Na obe show any so ade because I me can see anasa me yes siu. Bye Jerry.
Yes.
I don't work for na.
Be boom free.
That's why I say we bring na egu atade ni chest out with this.
Eh sa na tie that. Say unti we be trans help my.
Any show because ade.
Say the be because.
Me catch
it. Na ma show me suit na ma tena baby adwumi.
Now they akata ho because we share na etwetwe mu you eh.
When
ya kwanhia kwa when na ye twebo Jesus dem say me ma ABK nkra say omra
ABK ya twa
ABK brana ya me to nkra say join us we are live
and you know
on your way what ya huntomu ya afa ne sa
yes
ya nua no what's your empese be ya oboni na Instagram what dress na Jerry abeka say oh why fe keke ABK say la ila Nyonwa onkoda be so chiam ase say matete say dietary no watwe be mama be na odi abusia
cause me hwa no sa
nigga say
ne man da so fan ne ade
yeah diet yeah not to diet
na can na say
yeah I say no I say no ho me mobo yen fan hye no
ode
we go ka say sopa ABK wa hanna
waka mate
jiso mu jai de mu ye bia na mu ba ahase emwa into de ne no ABK me yen fan si he ya si wo kokomlemle junction he ya na ko ochina bia me nua be ma be comment o picture ka thank you na twam
simple
the J style
yeah
J yanko na yesetama beach road Porto bi eda ho a
hwe
enu akwabna jollof o chemu a
no mo ka koko pai ho ma pai ho omo atimi an physical kwa ne ade eso me say
o kan sa Porto
no mo de machines akọ no mo start kaka but no kra no che say mi hu adwuma no mo ye nkwa mi hu na ni supo
asem na reho because de bia na se bibi nsi ansa na wo bia wodan no aba be hye yesramo ye twa tax
no mo ye
twa tax ya na mo nye niye ma ye kakra ye kan ye ke mo nyina maso amoma kogu abrochire ko school na ye fa kwan no so na ye sa kan mo nsan so agigito wo ayi ho tema wo kokra to twa nkwan yesusu mu a na kwan ase na ye kan but I learned the guy is safe hye ya nye guy you know we just thank God for his life. Now what is Nicki Minaj so how yes one you more be wo so muchi mu ache again no wa fra wo yi mfonini to ho bi bisa adom listen bi bisa san ho ani Nicki Minaj mama bisa wo ba no we se so be hu Nicki Minaj at mama wo mata ye ko tie mie mama mani mfa wani sokra Nicki Minaj anyumtuni ba je se woni krom ha ba mama o de me se frɛ wo ba ye oto nchen se bra ho ani Nicki Minaj wo so beto no nyoma kyerɛ wo eti mama you are not lost cry you are not lost eti a happy birthday comma decline.
Okay.
Crime and Lalio sa ne brand no.
Oh,
I think and
Mammy man come
okay. Oh, D. Hi.
This is Jerry Justice. Oh, yeah. He knows what he's doing, so he needs no practice. If you're confused, holler him for some plantain chips. This is how we do out there every day. My name is Dr. Crime, aka the General. Yes, sir.
Happy birthday,
bro. Happy birthday.
Yeah. I mean, sure, no man can baby. And then you may be. Now, when you say a program, be max for all.
Yeah.
I mean, the concert was dope. Nanipa Bako, Nyam attention was bright.
Okay.
Also not bright and but still bright and huefe.
Yeah.
And to life, your life performance.
He knows what he's about, man.
Jay, what in it on your manner? Maybe I'm going to show some more bonum wedge. Science and a new live band.
Oh, beautiful voice.
Charlie?
Beautiful voice.
Also, most can make a channel.
Beautiful.
But unfortunately, so your mammy pay black a red velvet want to be better me. Say, on idea me, he caught my attention and it feels bribery. Oh, this no.
Yeah.
Yet Mikas were minim were when you mad boy to a bright to max for all. Now found collect so like obey me beat be brain hands
down.
Live performance.
Wait, Obia, what ye me? Our Kaino. Ebe who the yes, I will come into Miss Mika. I have said it here before.
Okay.
Say, Anka, ye can't male vocalist of the year. Pananka, yes, yes,
no, voting,
or fans ne voting,
yeah,
Anka Bright. I want any chance. Abrantiano. Charlie, hi, or Belco, Obeti, BBB, style, beer,
the J style, whatever style, because it's not stage, no, I'm praying. He
knows what he's about. Like I said,
Now, it's an Amakai color party, then you mean Moody. Small thing you do. Now, who said, and I didn't can hype. I know your boy Basuni when him style in Tibrano. I mean, he caught my attention last Saturday night because Obit in Jogana Bright at your web says, I mean, so be soon no home. My mentor will be casting wechem because performance now, Brano, you know, a so any pa, a so any. Now, all you shall bright in you, trotro drivers.
Oh, them.
Say, Obi Kwan, we and I'm in trotro for us. What in it?
Let's go, yeah. Oh yeah.
Jerry Georgina entry on Facebook. Say, Jerry, remember play Ofie Adom song you said.
Oh yeah.
Thanks
for reminding me. Yes. And then Ofie Adom birthday. Now me say me wo enum bi ho no mo a opepa but otie sa anyum no so a no osu. Ntino.
Yembubu Ofie pre. Yembubu na pre.
Ntimebo ama na na tie control for.
Yembubu na pre.
Yon control for the case.
Church for no. Or no what trauma let on kwan hwemu. Because right, I feel quite the ass of them. Almost me pack a coin fee pay no more.
And they just don't care.
They don't care. And the passengers net, they also a truck driver and care, also won't care. A coin fee no load, and then Yamen Kwan school ni biacola. So also could be so credit and honket and get to all patrons and send them. I can't create. And according to someone, trotro for one, I'm fire. If I will come, I may say I'm performance in my trust 7. It's among yesterday, I'm drive here and find a day. And my last fella, Medija Queen. Leila Johnson, a Ghana movie director. Who cast Shelly from Poor Manson, the Leila, a big nanchain, and a cafe down coast in Cheney Bay. Waba so hard as Leila. Sikasrebia could be baby. Which one lay like a cacan who send you no cafe no any angel home. No bonnet top fan, a crack cranny said Layla Bestrain is scare. Or Bestrain is scare, Semera, me pay scare, one son says this or $3. And a cafe is one manual. Ain't no nice Ashama now one and I'm a deck kind of one, but I am yet to reach out to a Auntie Layla. Okay. Now imagine a part of the story says Sikabai no costre. Or tie charity, it's me by say
Kafra.
My phone cry, my phone again, I'm looking for contact me.
And then Mammy won, Oh man. So that was fella. Sister Sandy be a guy near Tin Kano. Eric Kwejo Yamwa or multimedia. You want to thank the Lord for how far He has brought you. And your wife, 3 years of marriage and birthday today as well. So in a double dose, you know what I mean? Enjoy. Happy birthday going out to also for Mami Anita of our Blaze Mystery Chapel or CM from your husband, Pastor Opoku. And it's your birthday today, Giovanni. Happy birthday going out to you, Giovanni. May the good Lord bless you. Yes, and make you a great person. Amen. Okay, so this is the song I was talking about. And this one is a special one. From me to you, Ofie Adom 106.3. Yes, it's your birthday today. Enjoy. I know you love this song. By the time you listen to this song, then it makes you want to cry. But please today, don't cry. Be happy. Oh my goodness. Shouts going out to Lady Golda. Lady Golda. Daddy says stop crying, eh? Yeah, cause Daddy is in a better place. Yeah, imagine you. Oh, God, you did me good, 'cause I go down in Supreme.